How to start your Ford when some dick in Tucson steals your battery. Step 1, little baby battery. Step 2, wire the baby battery, but not so fast. Make sure you isolate your positive unless you want to die. Verify you have power, and then prepare the truck. Increase the idle and pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I won't show this on camera because it takes 15 hands, but you need to crank the wheels as far to the left as they'll go in order to avoid the curb. Obviously, you'll never make the curb because that's too easy, so now you gotta do a 3-point turn with you as the engine and the driver. You can't turn the wheel and push at the same time because it's downhill, and the moment you let go, the truck rolls, so you have no choice but to go back and forth, inch by inch. Now push the truck out of the street, you fuck. Well, thanks to the help from a push from an innocent stranger and a slight hill, you build up some speed, drop it into fourth, drop the clutch, and off you go. Make sure you let the truck get up to operating temperature before you take it on the road. And one more thing, no matter what you do, don't ever kill the engine. You can hear the truck doesn't sound right because it sucked a valve as a direct result of the battery being stolen.
Yeah, man. There it is. So this is super crazy dangerous. That right there is Balin Mania, and we are going to do something really stupid today. This is a terrible idea. Balin might die. It's making me uncomfortable. Go, Balin!
You riding this?
What the fuck is happening?
Balin said not to talk crap about this camera. It's a piece of shit.
This is so unbelievably sketchy. Why would you put me through this, you jerk?
That's the power of really old engineering.
It'd be nice if it didn't kill me. It's not required.
I felt it fucking pop.
Make a wish, everyone. Make a wish.
Not okay. You went too far. This guy, man, this guy.